Prophet Ibrahim and the fire, questions answers. Which story was the favorite of the daughter? Her favorite story was Ibrahim and the fire. What do you know about Ibrahim and the fire? Ibrahim was thrown into the fire and he came out of it unharmed as the fire cooled down for him. When Prophet Ibrahim was thrown into the fire, what did he say? He said, Allah alone is sufficient for us, and He is the best disposer of affairs. After that, whenever his daughter was scared, what did the father use to remind her of? He used to remind her to say Hasbunallah as Ibrahim did. What happened when his 1-year-old child ran out of the house? The father sent his daughter to bring the little boy back home. She successfully brought the baby back home. And at that time, she was constantly reading Hasbanullah out of fear. Why should we learn this dua too? Because this dua helps the fear not overtake you. What is the moral lesson of this story? The lesson we learn from this story is that we should not panic, but follow the sunnah of our prophets and recite Hasbunallah.